Hey friends, if you are a doctor from India or anywhere around the world and you are thinking to start your medical career in the UAE and confused about how much your research and academic publications count, so just stick around because this video will reduce your time, your effort, and the whole lot of stress. So let's cut through the confusion and get you one step closer to your UAE license. This topic is something many of you have messaged me about. So here is the answer. The research and publications are not mandatory to start your medical career here in the UAE. But what is mandatory is your primary qualifications, your clinical experiences, your licensing exams, and the most important is your eligibility letter. But do publications help? Definitely yes. How and where? I'll explain you now. They strengthen your CV if you are applying for tier 1 hospitals like Saha hospitals, Cleveland clinics, and other academic hospital where they do run residency programs and fellowship programs. If you are applying for a consultant post or if you want to upgrade your license from specialist post to a consultant post, then definitely research and publications do help. It sets you apart from other applying or applicants in specialties like plastic surgery, oncology, cardiology, etc. And also it helps you in if you want your job or your work in research and academic positions. Common mistake what young doctors make is they spend months in chasing 1 or 2 week publications just to add in your CV. Friends, no hospital is going to hire you based on your 1 or 2 week publications. They will hire you based on your clinical skills, your experiences, and your license and eligibility letter. So your goal should be first to prepare your documents, clear the exam, get your eligibility letter, enter into the system, and then work on it. So my personal advice, if you already have some research and publications, definitely include it into your CV. If you don't, my advice would be first to clear the exam, get the eligibility letter, enter into the system, and then go for your research publications. But if you are planning for a consultant post or an academic role like a fellowship director or a research post, then definitely you plan and work on some solid CV and some quality research. Remember, in the UAE, clinical credibility comes before the academic hypes. Patient, hospital, and the system value how well you treat the patients and not how many papers you have written. So to sum up, research is a bonus, it's not a barrier. If you are thinking to start your career in UAE, get your eligibility letter first, strengthen your CV, and focus on the exam. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Drop your comments or your doubts in the comment section. I'll try to reply as many as I can, or else I'll make a further video on your doubts. So friends, stay sharp, stay ethical, and stay vital. Thank you.